Did you know that 80% of people who want to start an online business never do because they think it requires too much money? But here's the truth. In 2025, there are 3 online business models you can start with low startup costs, and I'm going to show you exactly how. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn these ideas into a steady income. Let's dive in. The first online business model is freelance services. In 2025, freelancing is still one of the most accessible ways to make money online. Whether you're a writer, designer, or marketer, there's a demand for your skills. Here's how you can make money with freelance services. Choose a skill, focus on a specific skill, like graphic design, content writing, or social media management. Create a portfolio, showcase your work with sample projects or case studies. Find clients, use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Toptal to land your first gigs. The average freelancer earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. To learn freelance skills, you don't need to spend a fortune. Here are some affordable and free resources. YouTube channels like The Future for design or Income School for writing offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Coursera, Graphic Design Specialization, or Udemy, Freelance Writing 101. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva for design or Grammarly for writing. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick services. Toptal, ideal for experienced freelancers looking for high-paying clients. Now, let's explore the second business model. The second online business model is online courses. In 2025, the e-learning industry is booming, and people are willing to pay for knowledge in areas like fitness, business, or personal development. Here's how you can make money with online courses. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about, like digital marketing, photography, or coding. Create a course. Develop a course that solves a specific problem for your audience. Sell on platforms. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to sell your course. The average course creator earns between $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on the course and marketing efforts. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn to create online courses, free resources. YouTube channels like Think Media or blogs like Teachable Blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, how to create an online course, or Skillshare, course creation for beginners. Practice tools. Use tools like Canva for designing slides or Camtasia for recording videos. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to use. Udemy, perfect for beginners to sell courses to a large audience. Teachable, great for creating and hosting your own course website. Skillshare, ideal for reaching a creative community. Next, let's dive into the third business model. The third online business model is print on demand. In 2025, the print-on-demand industry is booming, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online without holding inventory. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and a third-party company handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. Here's how you can make money with print-on-demand. Create designs. Use your graphic design skills to create unique designs. Sell on platforms. Use platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble to sell your products. Market your store, promote your products on social media or through ads. The average print-on-demand seller earns between $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on their marketing efforts. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn print-on-demand. Free resources. YouTube channels like Print on Demand Boss or blogs like Oberlo's blog offer great tips. Paid courses, check out platforms like Udemy, Print on Demand Mastery, or Skillshare, start a print-on-demand business. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create designs. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to use. Printful, perfect for integrating with Shopify or Etsy. Teespring, great for beginners to start selling quickly. Redbubble, ideal for reaching a global audience. Now let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know the top 3 online business models to start in 2025 with low startup costs: freelance services, online courses, and print on demand. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these models are perfect for building a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one business model, and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to automate your online income streams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.